Welcome back to GrowingCraft, friends. This side Sonia here. So yes, how I received my ITD collection parcel was like this, and I was super excited, super happy. Now, yes, we have a giveaway in this video, so please do watch this video till end and do participate in our giveaway. I'm sure you guys are going to love this. So yes, let's unbox everything and share what I got from them. So first of all, I really want to show you guys the scrapbooking tags. Now these are the A4 thick sheets of tags which can be used as a fussy sheets, and these can be used for your scrapbooking and card making. So stay tuned to my channel to check all these tutorials what we are coming up with. Now the next one is the translucent papers. I was super excited to pick some of them. I have never used this, but I was like really excited to try my hands on these, and they are like absolutely gorgeous. You can see the beautiful design. So yes, you need to check out GrowingCraft channel for the tutorials which we are coming up with. Now moving on to the next one, I have my favorite pattern papers. Now if you guys know me, if you guys know GrowingCraft, you know how much we love pattern papers. So I was super thrilled to pick few of them. So this is the A4 size paperback, and each paper is like so beautiful. You can make so many scrapbooks, cards, like options are like literally unlimited. And yes, these are the both side pattern papers, and it also has a fussy tag print where you can use the even the cover of your A4 papers. Now the next one is pattern paper of 12 by 12 size. Trust me, you guys are going to love it. So I'll definitely show you guys whatever the collection I have picked up. So let me show you one by one. So this is the herbalist, and this is like so colorful. Then the next one is this mysterious forest. So I have picked up each one of my favorites, and trust me, there were a lot more. Picking up which one is I have to have was really difficult. So pattern paper is something which is just so versatile. You can use for your mixed media layouts, you can use for your scrapbooking, for your card making, and you guys are going to love it. So these are like few of the pattern papers what I have picked up. Yes, I really loved each of them. So I will definitely open up one of these packs and show you that how it has. So this is like one of the loose sheets pack which I'm opening. So it also has some of the loose sheets, and you can see the beautiful design out there. They are like absolutely amazing. So if you just want to pick up some of the random ones, you can just pick up these loose sheets from their website. Now coming back to the another one, these are the decoupage papers. So GrowingCraft is incomplete without decoupage art. So this one has the decoupage papers, the chipboards. So definitely the options are like really unlimited. So when it comes to chipboard, I really love using my chipboards on my decoupage art for my mixed media projects and create beautiful home decor and your art pieces and your handmade gifting. They are like so versatile. So what I also picked up was these A3 size decoupage papers. I really loved it. The designs are so beautiful, and I tried to pick up the same floral of different shades so that I can use it in one of the projects in a different way what I've planned. So stay tuned to my channel and do check out these tutorials. We will be coming up very soon. So next thing which I really wanted to share with you guys is like 6x6 rice papers. You guys know I love rice papers. I absolutely love it. So these are the few packs what I have picked up. So I'll definitely open up one of the packs and I'll show you, but I had to show you that these like rice papers are like absolutely amazing. So these are the really very few packs what I have picked up. The options, the designs in the rice paper for your decoupage art, for your mixed media art is like literally unlimited. So you can check out these collections also. So this was the rice paper, and I will show you one more because I was really curious to know how versatile just the black and white rice paper works, and this is like so gorgeous. Now it's time for our A4 size paper, and here is what we have in our giveaway. So to participate, what you need to do is you need to let us know in the comment section that how many A4 size rice papers we have shown in this video. So what you need to do is you need to count the number of A4 rice papers what we are showing in the video and comment it in the comment section, and we will be picking up one lucky winner from US and one lucky winner from India. So yes, we are having two giveaways this time, one for India, one for USA. Now these are like I really don't think that these needs any introduction. ITD rice papers are one of the best. I have been using this for like years now. In 2020 also we collaborated with them and we had done some amazing tutorials. Like those are still one of the best tutorials on my channel. I really love each and every artwork of these. So they are so versatile. You can create your decoupage art, decoupage frame, decoupage coasters, decoupage platters, whatnot, and these are like super cool. So I have already planned a lot of projects like mixed media and decoupage projects which I'm going to create with this. Now again, just a little reminder for giveaway, you need to count the number of sheets what we are showing you in this video of unboxing of A4 size rice papers, and comment below. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned to our channel for some of the amazing tutorials coming up. Thank you and take care and bye bye.